Namaskar. Hello everyone. I am Guru Dr. Uma Sharma, Kathak exponent and of course Padma Bhushan. It is my pleasure to congratulate all the participants and the team of Udan 2021 on this exciting and noble effort. I am happy to share my expertise and time in this effort. Udan signifies a great spirit. I congratulate Kalashram, College of Performing Arts Udaipur and Pacific Medical College and Hospital. Udaipur for taking this initiative. It underlines the need for the positivity, humanity and courage. That's what we need the most as we fight various turns and challenges of the COVID pandemic. We have all been through the toughest phase for the mankind of all over the world. But we need to look forward and bounce back. There should be no room to sit back and stay stuck. We should remain very, very active. I am very hopeful that this event will inject that much needed energy into the global community of artists and the youth that are joining this effort with so much passion and hard work. I share my best wishes for this initiative and I am very excited to be part of this lovely journey with this special folks of birds. Let's fly together. Namaskar.